What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on why your ads don't convert, right? When you switch them to different platforms. So, one of my Team DeAngelo members was running one of my Done For You campaigns over here on Facebook and absolutely crushing it, right? But then they put it over on Google and it completely failed and they didn't make any money at all. So, a lot of people run into this problem here, and it's actually very simple, guys, right? So basically what you need to do is look at it like this. Let's say you message a guy or a girl on Facebook. What are they normally going to say if they're not into making money online or whatever? Who are you? All right. But if you message that same exact person on Meet Me or Tinder, they'll only like, hey, how's it going? Or something like that. And this is literally the same exact person. Let's say you see that person in a bar, they might not reply to you at all. So like, why is that though? Why not just get a who are you for all of them, right? It's literally the same exact person. It's because they're on different platforms. On different platforms, people behave differently. It's just that simple. Literally, the same person will give you, as you can see here, four different outcomes, even though it's the same person, you're the same person, you're messaging the same exact way, and you're saying the same exact thing, but you get a different outcome because of the platform that you're on. It's just that simple. Same thing when it comes to, Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, Yahoo ads, Google ads, whatever platform that you're running on. When people go on Facebook, what are they looking for? Entertainment. They're trying to watch some videos, see who did what, they message your friends and family, stuff like that. When it comes to Snapchat, again, they're just messaging people, stuff like that. And then they go over to Yahoo, right? What are you doing when you go to Yahoo? You're searching, you're looking for something. What do you do when you go over to Google? You're searching, you're looking for something. So if you want something with similar results without having to spend a whole bunch of money, and again, this can change between each campaign depending on what you're running and stuff like that, but you should try to stick to niches, categories or sites that are in the same category, I should say. Right, so if you're going to be trying to if you're running a campaign over here on Google Ads and it's absolutely crushing it, instead of trying to run it on Facebook where people are just looking to be entertained and not actually looking for anything, try running it over on Yahoo or Bing, or something like that, versus again putting it on a completely different platform. Again, people are looking for something over here. They're searching, right? On Facebook, people aren't necessarily searching for what you have or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You're just putting it out there and just in a nutshell kind of hoping or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much in a nutshell. This will literally save you a lot of money and a lot of headache as well. All you need to do is realize that people do different things on different platforms. So just go to, if you got a campaign that's working really well on one network, go to another platform where it can also work just as well in the same niche. But again, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this video helped you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe.